Hello everyone, my name is Andreas Engel. I'm Global Director for Plant of the Future. The product we make is a beverage can. You all know it, you all have seen it, and you all, of course, like it. The company I work for is Ardagh, and Ardagh is mentioned on each and every can that we make. You can find the logo down here. I take care for all our digitalization initiatives globally, and we started many years ago in Europe on a very small scale. But very quickly we have seen that this is a long journey, and for this long journey we needed support. And this is why Wiebke is here.
I met Andreas some years back in a plant somewhere here in Germany. And when we met first, we still wondered if technology would be the big thing to solve. But it turned out quickly that they have amazing engineers, they have a cool IT team there. But the big challenge we had to address was to bring change into the company. And this is what we will talk about in our session.